What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the T-Boss 410. Now this one here, it's the limited edition. This one here, it's got all kinds of goodies on it. It's fuel injected. You've got a nice lift to it, as you can see right in the video. You've got independent suspension, your optional winch here. You've got nice rugged tire. Again, a nice 12-inch rim, along with a 25-inch tire from the ground to the top right there. Check it on out. You also have your netting that will clip in right here. And again, you've got 1, 2, and 3 seats. You do have 2 seat belts for the driver and the passenger, along with your headrests right here. Call us right now, SaferWholesale.com, 866-606-3991. This one will go ahead and dump as well. It's got the hydraulic right there. It'll lock right back in place, as well as you can go ahead and pull right here your tailgate, and this will come down. You've got nice diamond plate right there, along with your optional hitch you can go ahead and install. Again, 4-stroke T-Boss 410 in stock right now, SaferWholesale.com. We've got many different colors available. Again, fuel injected, and we can ship nationwide, fully assembled. Call us toll free, 866-606-3991. Now this one as well, couple different options. Again, it also is going to have your digital dash right here. You've got high, low, neutral, and reverse. You got in and out on your winch. You got 4-wheel drive as well as 2-wheel drive. Your horn, and you also have turn signals. So once again, you can see you've got your turn signals right here, and in some states it is street legal. You also have USB right there as well, and then your nice glove compartment right there, like so. Call us right now, toll free, 866-606-3991. And this one right here, it's got all kinds of power, and again, high and low. Easy to use, easy to ride, easy to drive, along with your kilometer per hour, mile per hour right there. Parking brake. Call us today, 866-606-3991, SaferWholesale.com.